Welcome to Jb Villar Channel. This video, I will show you the sliding door design using a traditional SD section. This sliding door is analog frame and 1/4 bronze glass. The sliding door lock is Flushlock number 12 to 13 and Flushlock number 10 to 11. This sliding door price in the Philippines varies depending on the glass and aluminum store. Here in Jb Villar Channel the price is 10,500 pesos. The price is labor and materials. The price includes the screen and what is the opening of the sliding door. In our next video, we make a how to make a sliding door tutorial video. This is a 4-panel sliding glass door with a fixed glass in the two sides. This 4-panel sliding door's SD section can be upgraded in 900 series sliding door if you want the PVC door section to be the same size. But the difference is the price and the quality. If your construction project is high-end and the project owner is name your price, my best suggestion is 900 series sliding door section. To all the viewers who want to learn the glass and aluminum business or scope of work, our next video is how to make a sliding door. So my beloved ALUM, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I prefer to use a traditional sliding doors because the thickness of the aluminum profile is different when you compare to the 798 sliding door series. If the client prefer a 798 series, I'm doing that too. The client is the decision maker of her sliding door project. This sliding door project is located at Southland Las Piñas. This is the sliding window design, and if you want a package deal, we also accept window grills included. This sliding window price in the Philippines is different depending on the glass and aluminum store. Here in Jb Villar Channel this sliding window price is for 1,000 pesos only, included the screen. This is the sliding window price in Cabot. This sliding window design is a traditional sliding window. This sliding window is with screen, labor and materials are included. To all new viewers who want to learn how to install aluminum windows, please watch my other videos to learn the basic skill on how to install an aluminum windows. If you watch my other videos, you learn how to install a sliding window. If you want a best sliding window design, I recommend to use a 900 series sliding window series if the client is name your price. ALUM, if you like this video, please subscribe and like the Jb Villar channel for more videos. Please also like and follow my Facebook account Jb Villar. Thank you for your full support ALUM. God bless.